moved to Hamilton, and then we missed the water, so we moved back, and Rangitahi suited what we were looking for.
Bold, individual, like we wanted our house to be ours, and reflect our personality.
It could be pink.
I did actually want pink.
That's Jen.
I don't want to live in a grey world.
She loves colour. There'd probably be more colour.
If there will be more colour.
Yeah.
It definitely made you more aware of what you were designing and like the importance of design rather than just plonking a house in a section.
Yeah, making it work with
the contour of the slope and
yeah, I love being able to see the kids from the deck just cruising up and down the road. It just feels so safe, or you can call them, you know.
Functionality, we've got 3 boys, so we wanted a home that was enjoyable to live in, but also practical.
When we finally got it,
it was
ours, yeah.
Nixon just made it easy.